In this video, we have to prove the second property of the three cube roots of unity, that is 1, and this one is termed as omega square, and this one is termed as omega, this one is omega square. So we have to prove that the product of these three cube roots of unity is 1. So we prove it. First one into minus 1 plus square root minus 3 over 2 times minus 1 minus square root minus 3 over 2. We are taking the product of the three cube roots of unity. 1, the second one is a complex one, the third one is also a complex one. So we have to multiply these three roots and we have to prove in the end that the result is 1. 1 times this one, the result is same. It means that we have to multiply these two numbers. So minus 1 plus square root minus 3 times minus 1 minus square root minus 3. This becomes a formula, as you know, that a plus b times a minus b equals a square minus b square. So if you see here, this is the first term plus this is the second term, a plus b. This is the first term minus this is the second term. So a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, that is the square of the first value minus 1 minus the square of the second value. And 2 times 2 is 4. Square of minus 1 is 1 minus this square cancels out with the square root minus into minus 3. This becomes plus 3 over 4. That is 4 over 4, which is in turn equals 1. So what we have proved over here is that 1 times this was omega plus 1, the other one was omega square, comes out to be 1. It means that the product of the three cube roots of unity is equals to 1. Or another way we can write omega cube, omega into omega square, omega cube is equals to 1. This is the formula. Omega cube is equals to 1. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.